Good morning. The soft light of a new day makes me feel refreshed and ready for what's ahead. Waking up peacefully sets the tone. It's a moment to appreciate the quiet before the world gets busy. Now, for my morning routine, I love the calm kitchen as I prepare a simple breakfast and coffee. A warm drink helps me find focus. These small rituals make the start of the day so special. Stepping outside, the air is fresh. I always greet my neighbors. Good morning. How are you today? Hearing a friendly, I'm well, thank you, in return is wonderful. A simple greeting can brighten anyone's morning. Next is the local bakery. The smell of fresh croissants is irresistible. Can I have one, please? The baker is always cheerful. These polite interactions build a sense of community and kindness in our neighborhood. With my treat in hand, I'm ready for the day, feeling content and connected to As I head off, I'll say, see you later. I hope your morning is just as peaceful as mine.